The 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata carries on the tradition of one of the most adored roadsters in the world, capturing the unadulterated thrill of driving with its lightweight construction, agile handling, and classic styling. The MX-5 Miata has stood for decades as the epitome of what a sports car ought to be: straightforward, interconnected, and thrilling. By adding minor performance and technology improvements while maintaining the essence that has made it an icon, the 2026 model further develops that principle. With each turn, shift, and throttle input, Mazda's engineers have once again concentrated on creating a vehicle that feels like an extension of the driver, fostering an emotional bond with the road. The 2026 MX-5 Miata appears to be a modernized iteration of Mazda's Kodo, soul of motion design language. With a tall hood, short rear deck, and low-slung stance that convey quickness and performance, the proportions stay small and sporty. Sharper LED lighting, reworked bumpers, and improved aerodynamic components are all part of the exterior makeover, which improves both appearance and use. Even when stationary, the Miata's sculpted curves and flowing lines give it a sensation of speed, and its lightweight alloy wheels and new color options give it a contemporary look. The Miata's ageless simplicity, a car that doesn't need to shout to be noticed, remains intact in the design despite its growth. The 2026 MX-5 Miata's interior is still driver-focused and provides a high-end, yet simple experience. Every element, including the supportive sports seats and well-positioned controls, is intended to keep the driver completely focused. The materials are better than before, combining aluminum highlights with soft-touch surfaces to create a timeless yet contemporary look. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a larger display with enhanced graphics and simple voice controls, Mazda's most recent infotainment system is integrated into the dashboard. But technology never overshadows the car's function. This is still a cockpit designed for enjoyment, where ergonomics and simplicity are prioritized over needless distractions. Under the hood, the 2026 MX-5 Miata maintains its preference for harmony over force. The well-known four-cylinder naturally aspirated engine has been enhanced for more economy, a smoother delivery, and a quicker throttle response. According to rumors, Mazda might also implement a mild hybrid system to improve fuel efficiency and deliver a modest torque boost without sacrificing the vehicle's lightweight design. One of the Miata's main selling points is its 6-speed manual gearbox, which transmits power. However, for convenience seekers, an automated gearbox is also an option. As promised, the car's rear-wheel drive setup and nearly flawless 50/50 weight distribution provide remarkable agility, making every turn feel natural and smooth. Upgraded suspension tuning and chassis enhancements for the 2026 model provide even greater handling accuracy and ride comfort. The steering feedback has been improved by Mazda engineers to be more communicative while preserving the Miata's distinctive balance and small weight. The car's driver-machine relationship is unrivaled, whether navigating mountain roads or speeding along the coast. What distinguishes the Miata from contemporary sports cars that have grown unduly complicated or heavy is the sense of freedom it provides, even when the top is down and the engine is singing. There are also significant advancements in technology and safety. More seamless integration of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and lane departure warning ensures peace of mind without sacrificing the integrity of the driving experience. Every component of the vehicle feels purposeful and unified thanks to Mazda's dedication to innovation and workmanship. In the end, the 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a celebration of driving at its most basic level. Because it concentrates on what really matters: lightweight, accuracy, and emotion. It rejects the automobile trend toward over-engineering. The new MX-5 Miata extends the legacy of an enduring icon into a new era with its elegant design, cutting-edge improvements, and steadfast commitment to pleasure. It is still a vehicle for those who drive to experience every turn, every sound, and every moment of the journey, not merely to get to their destination.